Welcome to ATMeye IQ application. This specialized business intelligence class management solution is designed for the banking sector to realize business monitoring. Put the login and password and press log on. To start to walk through the program, let's select Perspective. On the toolbar on the right side, you will see Open Perspective icon. Click the arrow button to call for the window with the list of perspectives that are in use during actual session. If you choose Asset Perspective button, you will be able to enter new self-service device data like terminal ID, type, status, and other information. Next step, get acquainted with the ATMeye IQ user interface. It opens on multiple view windows. ATMeye IQ is laid out in 7 perspective user interface parts: Main menu, Toolbar, Navigation panel, Events list, Search field, Additional info panel, and finally, Picture viewer. Main menu buttons is well known and not much differs from other software menu bars. The toolbar contains 18 icons that mostly often used by self-service device operators. ATMeye IQ has 3 basic work modes, which is located in the right side of the bar: Events, Alarms, and Technical events. You will spend most of the time in Events icon monitoring the list of events, which will be displayed in the 5th user interface part. Events list looks like a table that initially consists of 8 columns and particular amount of rows that corresponds with the number of events associated with selected ATM, network or network node. The Alarms icon allows seeing all the calls from a list of alarms. When alarm event obtained, event shows in the event list. Sound signal on the operator's ATMeye IQ desktop turns on. Operator can respond to event, add note, and view snapshot by double-clicking on event in list. Alarm pop-up window. If alarm event obtains during operator work with programs running in full screen mode, the pop-up window of ATMeye IQ system with information about alarm events displays. Click the Technical Events button and it will show Technical Events monitoring list. When technical event obtained, the pop-up window of ATMeye IQ system with information about obtained event appears. With Make Snapshot button, you can make snapshot for selected terminal. Live Video button allows starting record selected device. Operator has to select camera number and presses OK button. Get Status button provides information about current status of selected self-service device. By clicking Refresh ATMeye IQ State button, it simply refreshes the device state. ATM log icon calls for window log files for selected terminal. Operator can choose files which he would like to download and press OK button. An additional window with the download progress will appear. When downloading process is finished successfully, operator can view loaded file in text editor. By clicking Update Software Version button, you may call for Update Current Version window, which shows available software versions for specific device. The 10th icon on the toolbar is Download by Schedule, which lets download media from ATMs for selected period. Operator must set attributes and presses OK button. This way, all snapshots will be downloading automatically according to the defined time interval. Also, with Video Recording by Schedule button, you can set the precise time when camera automatically should make video recording for selected terminal. With Backup button, you will do an immediate backup. Delete Files button calls for Delete Files window of selected terminal. Operator may choose dates that he would like to delete. Click the Events Settings icon to search and edit settings on event list of selected terminal. And click ATMeye IQ Settings icon to edit ATMeye IQ settings of selected terminal. Click Camera's Day-Night Settings icon for camera's day-night setting adjustment. Icon contains with a list of available resolutions, brightness value, contrast value, and so on. Operator may change camera's attribute by selecting checkboxes marking cameras, which establishes day-night mode. The last 3 icons were created to facilitate network analysis management. Click TIDS Statistic to view detailed information about your self-service device or all network events and performance. Click Alarm Summary to view alarm summary for selected period of selected terminal, or click User Action Statistics to view all user actions during some particular period. Navigation panel is on the third user interface part. In it, you can see device networks and terminals that were entered on asset perspective. The highest level of a navigation tree is the main network. The lowest level is a terminal or number of terminals that cannot be expanded further. In the navigation panel, user can expand the whole network or separate branches to view terminals in their hierarchy and collapse them again. Button plus expands network branch to display lower level, and opposite button minus collapses network branch to hide lower level. Navigation field has its own toolbar that consists of 4 buttons. Collapse all button, which collapses all expanded networks and branches up to the main network. Link open with editor's content in the navigator. Navigate one level up, and menu button, which opens navigation menu. Navigation menu provides Change Network, which opens the list of all available networks. When the network is selected, it changes in the navigation field and opens the list of terminals included into this network in the tab. The 6th additional info panel. It is located in the lower part of the screen. It contains information related to the self-service device event. Some information repeats data from the table. There are 2 specific tabs of the information related to the event. And the last ATMeye IQ interface part is Picture Viewer. It displays the snapshots that operator selected from the events list. That is all for now. Thanks for your attention. Please visit atmeye.net or bs2.lt for further information. We will be looking forward to hear from you soon.